Hey Ian, I've got a small one here. I have here, for example, the testing. I want to add a teacher. So I add a teacher and then I go down here and I can't get to the next one. It's not page 1 of 2, but I know there are other people there. I can't do this. No, can I make it there? And I get to them? No, still no. So if you look here, what I've been doing, I've added these ones, and then it moves up one. So this one I'm adding, and then this one I'm adding, and then it moves up one. Look, there's now Russell coming in. Oh, there's another one here, Stephen coming in. I've got to do all of this until I can get to Virginia, who I want. Oh dear me, there's no system administrator. I don't understand what's going on with this. Oh dear me. There's Vicky. We don't want Vicky. Oh, we don't want Luke. I can't find. I can't even. Okay, but it's like basically I have to keep adding these people and then get rid of them in order for it to move up, so I can see the people. It doesn't seem to be going from to page 1 and 2. Hold on, I'll just do that there. But that's not really the best way of doing it. Okay, so I'm not sure what's happening. You can see it's not changing from page 1 to 2.